Want to make some huge money quickly? Welcome to an exciting journey where you can turn your conversations with ChatGPT into a money-making venture. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write essays, debug code, create websites, and even suggest stock investments. Sounds interesting, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT prompts, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to craft prompts that can boost your earnings. Ready to explore? Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is an AI language model that understands and generates human-like text. It's like having a super smart friend who can chat about anything from history to quantum mechanics. As of 2024, ChatGPT has over 100 million users worldwide, making it one of the most popular AI tools available. Its ability to understand context and nuances in language makes it a versatile assistant for many tasks. What are ChatGPT prompts? ChatGPT prompts are the instructions or questions you give to the ChatGPT model to get specific responses. Think of them as the way you steer the conversation. Whether you want a story, an answer to a question, or some creative content, the quality of your prompt determines the quality of the response. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the output you'll get. Advantages of ChatGPT. Prompts. Using ChatGPT prompts offers numerous benefits. They can save time, improve productivity, and help automate routine tasks. Businesses have reported saving between $50,000 to $70,000 by integrating ChatGPT into their operations. Prompts can be used for customer support, creative writing, language learning, and much more. Essentially, they transform how we approach tasks and solve problems. 10 best ChatGPT prompts to make money. Now, let's dive into the 10 ways you can use ChatGPT prompts to earn money. Each method is easy to start, even if you're not a tech whiz. Create Content ChatGPT is a content wizard. You can ask it to write essays, articles, poems, jokes, and more. Imagine you need a blog post about the health benefits of yoga for your wellness site. You just type, "Write a 500-word blog post about the health benefits of yoga." Boom! ChatGPT gives you a polished article in seconds. Want to create YouTube scripts? Easy. Tell ChatGPT, create a YouTube video script for a 10-minute video on beginner yoga poses. Now you have a script ready to shoot. Need translations? Type, translate the following text into French. Yoga is beneficial for both mind and body. With ChatGPT, you can offer services like content creation, translation, and script writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses and individuals will pay you to create high-quality content. For example, you could earn $50 per blog post or $100 per YouTube script. It's a fantastic way to make money while honing your writing skills. Write a book dreaming of writing a book but short on time? Let ChatGPT help. Suppose you want to write a mystery novel. Type, write the first chapter of a mystery novel set in 1920s London. ChatGPT crafts a captivating beginning. You can continue developing the story, chapter by chapter. Once your book is complete, publish it on Amazon Kindle or other ebook platforms. Earning royalties from book sales can provide a steady income stream. Many self-published authors earn thousands of dollars annually. Writing a book with ChatGPT is like having a co-author who never tires. It's an exciting way to bring your ideas to life and share them with the world. Generate business ideas. Stuck for business ideas? ChatGPT can brainstorm with you. For instance, you want ideas for an eco-friendly product. Type, suggest 5 business ideas for an online store selling eco-friendly products. ChatGPT provides innovative ideas that can spark your next big venture. Use these ideas to start your own business or sell them to aspiring entrepreneurs. Business idea consultancy can be a lucrative service. Charge $50 to $200 per consultation. By leveraging ChatGPT's creativity, you can find unique market opportunities and build a successful business from scratch. Become a data analyst. Data analysis is a valuable skill, and ChatGPT can assist you. Suppose you have a CSV file with sales data. Offer data analysis services to businesses that need to make data-driven decisions. Charge $50 to $500 per project, depending on complexity. With ChatGPT's help, you can handle large data sets efficiently and provide actionable insights. Data analysis can open doors to high-paying opportunities in various industries. ChatGPT makes it accessible even if you're just starting out. Invest in stocks. Stock market investing can be daunting, but ChatGPT simplifies it. Imagine you want to invest $1,000 monthly for the next 5 years. Type, suggest 3 long-term stock investment options for a $1,000 investment per month over the next 5 years with a minimum of 15% ROI. ChatGPT provides well-researched options based on market trends. Use these insights to build a diversified portfolio. Passive income from stock investments can grow significantly over time. Consult with financial advisors to validate ChatGPT's suggestions. Investing in stocks with ChatGPT's guidance can help you achieve your financial goals. It's a smart way to grow your wealth while minimizing risks. Write code coding can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT simplifies it. Imagine you need a Python script to sort a list of numbers. Use ChatGPT to complete coding tasks and projects, then offer your services on freelance sites like Freelancer or Upwork. If you land a job to create a simple app, you could charge $500 or more. Start small with basic scripts and gradually take on bigger projects. You'll improve your programming skills while earning money. Coding with ChatGPT is like having a super smart assistant by your side. Debug code. Debugging code can be a nightmare, but not with ChatGPT. Imagine your Java program isn't running and you can't figure out why. ChatGPT spots the error instantly. This tool saves hours of frustration. You can offer debugging services on platforms like TopTal, where skilled debuggers are in high demand. Let's say you charge $50 per debugging task. Complete a few tasks daily, and you're looking at a significant income. Debugging requires some coding knowledge, but even beginners can learn quickly. ChatGPT turns you into a coding hero, helping you fix problems and earn money effortlessly. Build business websites. Web development is a hot market, and ChatGPT makes it easier than ever. Need a simple website for a local bakery? Type, create an HTML template for a bakery website. ChatGPT provides a basic structure, including HTML and CSS. You can offer web design services to small businesses and startups. Many businesses, especially in local communities, need a professional online presence but don't know where to start. Charge $300 to $1,000 per website depending on complexity. Start by creating simple sites and gradually take on more complex projects. Use ChatGPT for coding, design ideas, and even troubleshooting. Platforms like Squarespace or WordPress can also help you build and customize sites quickly. Turn your web development hobby into a profitable business. Create resumes. A well-crafted resume can make all the difference for job seekers, and ChatGPT can help you create standout resumes. Imagine someone needs a resume for a marketing job. ChatGPT generates a professional resume highlighting key skills and achievements. You can offer resume writing services on LinkedIn or specialized job sites. Charge $50 to $200 per resume depending on the level of customization and detail. As job markets become more competitive, people are willing to pay for high-quality resumes. You can help them land their dream jobs while earning money. It's a win-win situation. Create user manuals. Companies often need user manuals for their products, and ChatGPT can help. For example, you're tasked with writing a manual for a new smartphone. ChatGPT creates a clear, detailed manual. Offer your services to tech companies or startups launching new products. You can charge $100 to $500 per manual depending on complexity. User manuals are essential for customer satisfaction and reducing support queries. With ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality manuals quickly and efficiently. There you have it. Whether you're into writing, coding, web design, or investing, ChatGPT can be your trusted assistant. Try these prompts, explore the possibilities, and see which method works best for you. What method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more content. See you soon.